Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna refill the aircon gas in my car. So first of all, I do not recommend this as a real solution, but this car is old and I don't really care that much about it because it won't last for that much longer. So I'm gonna try one of these DIY gas tubes to do the refilling. And it only cost me 40 euros, and that includes all the oil and stuff in the gas as well. The location of the low pressure cap or plug isn't that nice. I have to check if I can even reach it. I can barely fit my hand in there. So now I need to turn on the car, so it will be a bit noisy. And I have to make sure that the AC is on and that the fans are on full blast. But then you need to make sure that the valve screw is all the way out, so you don't puncture the tube. Now it's pretty tight. Then I have to put the connector onto the plug. And this is going to be the hard part, trying to get it on. Now I've removed the glow control unit, so now I hopefully can get it straight on. And now I don't have the car running, but I'll start it if I get it connected. Yeah, now I could hear it. So as you can see, the pressure is high, but I hope it goes down when I start the car. It did, but it's still in green. It doesn't seem like it wants to go down, so I'll just have to fill it. Oh, now it started. Yeah, now it's cooling, so it actually worked. I should probably disconnect it now. So now I only need to put the glow control unit back, and I lost the nut, so I will have to move the car because hopefully it went on the ground. And I'm also gonna put the cap back onto the connection. So I will show you when I put back the glow controller or glow control unit. I need to find the connector and connect it. And then there's the bolt. So like I said in the beginning, I'm not gonna recommend this as a real solution or a good solution, but I can recommend it as a quick fix, as it worked that easy. And on most cars it's probably even easier to get to the valve or connector, but I just had to remove my glow control unit to get there, so it was just one nut. And this job took maybe 20 minutes, I think. So it was a really quick fix, and as you could hear, the AC compressor and the fan turned on, and I haven't heard that for like 2 to 3 years. And now it's cooling pretty good, and if I need more pressure in the future, I'll just order some more from EasyClima. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.